Hi everyone and welcome. My name is Vladimir and I'm traveling from Melbourne all up north to Brisbane by car. In the previous adventure, I had the luck to discover an island famous for being full of koalas, Raymond Island. In this video, I will bring you more north, from Lakes Entrance to Eden in New South Wales. I will even go to the cheapest motel that I found there. Will it be worth the money spent? Stay till the end of this video to discover it. And now we are in Lakes Entrance, a very cute, probably holiday town, full of lakes. This is kind of a bay, and we're going to take this bridge to go on the beach. The temperature today is, let's say, not that cold but windy, so let's say it's not the warmest day. Let's see, what is this? Oof! This bridge has been built in 1957. And here the hill before reaching the ocean. A short break before we are reaching Eden to discover a bit the rainy forest. Looks like the bridge is closed, but we don't care. We go. And here we are in front of the famous bridge, beautiful, in the middle of the rainy forest. The only problem, looks like it's not safe. And here we are in Mallacoota. Look, I am in a super romantic and cute place. Hi everyone, today I'm in Bayview Motor Inn, a cute little motel in Eden, New South Wales. So this is the cheapest motel that we found on Agoda for $71. What we can find here, we have the bed. The look that is not that in order because we already slept this night. We can find two chairs. Other two chairs, there's a little table. Here we have a fridge. It it wasn't that noisy, so it was perfect. Doesn't look super new, but it did its job. Here for a tea. And if we want to do some breakfast, here we have some material. Microwave and a TV. And some pillow and an iron. So what to say? For the price, I would say that it's a good compromise. This is the bathroom. There were included even 2 shampoos, 2 little soap that are here with a cute koala. And this is the shower. But the best part of all of this $71 well spent, it's the view. Well, probably there was a swimming pool. Looks like now not anymore, but the view. Is beautiful. With parrots singing everywhere. So in few words, would I advise it for $71 or even 80, 85 here in Eden? Yes, come here. It's worth it.